Good morning, ma'am. My name is Gracie. I'm from IT department, section A. My topic is about artificial intelligence with Python. What is artificial intelligence? The term artificial intelligence was first coined decades ago in the year 1956 by John M.C. McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. He defined AI as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. In other words, artificial intelligence is the science of getting machines to think and make decisions like humans. Artificial intelligence is a way to make machines think and behave intelligently. The machines are controlled by software inside them. So, AI has a lot to do with intelligent software programs that control these machines. It is a science of finding theories and methodologies that can help understand the world and accordingly react to situations in the same way that humans do. If we look closely at how the field of AI has emerged over the last couple of decades, you will see that different researchers tend to focus on different concepts to define AI. In the modern world, AI is used across many verticals in many different forms. We want the machines to sense, reason, think, and act. We want our machines to be rational too. AI is closely related to the study of human brain. Researchers believe that AI can be accomplished by understanding how the human brain works by mimicking the way the human brain learns, thinks, and takes action. We can build a machine that can do the same. This can be used as a platform to develop intelligent systems that are capable of learning. Python packages for AI. TensorFlow. Features of TensorFlow: responsive construct, flexible, easily trainable, parallel neural network. Training: TensorFlow library was developed by Google in collaboration with Brain Team. It is popularly used in writing machine learning algorithms. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn. Features of Scikit-learn: cross-validation, unsupervised learning algorithms, feature extraction. Scikit-learn is a Python library associated with NumPy and CP. It is considered as one of the best libraries for working with complex data. NumPy. Features of NumPy: supports multi-dimensional arrays, numerical analysis, intuitive. NumPy is a Python library mainly used for computing scientific or mathematical data. Natural language analysis with NLTK. Features of NLTK: study natural language text, text analysis, sentimental analysis. The Natural Language Toolkit (NLTK) is an open source Python library for natural language processing, text analysis, and text mining. Here we can see a human and a robot. We are making the robots to think as humans do, right? Let's get into the introduction. Artificial intelligence has been around for over half a century now, and its advancements are growing at an exponential rate. The demand for AI is at its peak, and if you wish to learn about artificial intelligence, you have landed at the right place. This blog on artificial intelligence with Python will help you understand all the concepts of AI with practical implementations in Python. We spend a significant portion of our everyday life interacting with smart systems. It can be in the form of searching for something on the internet, biometric face recognition, or converting spoken words to text. Artificial intelligence is at the heart of all this, and it's becoming an important part of our modern lifestyle. All the systems are complex, real world applications, and artificial intelligence solves these problems with mathematics and algorithms. Applications of AI. Let's see where AI appears in the real world. AI manifests itself in various different forms across multiple fields. So, it's important to understand how it's useful in various domains. AI has been used across many industries and it continues to expand rapidly. Some of the most popular areas include computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, expert systems, games, and robotics. Types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is of three types, right? AI is structured along three evolutionary stages. At first, artif- at first it was at, at the first stage is artificial narrow intelligence. From artificial narrow intelligence to it is developed to artificial general intelligence. From artificial general intelligence to it developed to artificial super intelligence. What is narrow artificial intelligence? Narrow AI dedicated to assist with or take over specific tasks. General AI takes knowledge from one domain, transfers to other domain. Super AI missions that are an order of magnitude smarter than humans. Why is Python best for AI? Despite being a general purpose language, Python has made its way into the most complex technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and so on. Python has Python provides us less code. Implementing AI involves tons of algorithms. Thanks for Python support for predefined packages. We don't have to code algorithms. And to make things easier, Python provides check as you code methodology that reduces the burden of testing code. Here we can see What Python provides us? Python provides less code. It has pre-built libraries. We can it is easy for learning, ease of learning. Python has Python is independent platform. It has massive community support. What are pre-built libraries? Pre-built libraries. Python has hundreds of pre-built libraries to implement various machine learning and deep learning algorithms. So every time you want to run an algorithm on a dataset, all you have to do is install and load the necessary packages with a single command. Examples of pre-built libraries include NumPy, Keras, PyTorch, and so on. Ease of learning. Python uses a very simple syntax that can be used to implement simple computations like the addition of two strings to complex processes such as building a machine learning model. Platform independent. Python can run on multiple platforms including Windows, MacOS, Linux, Unix, and so on. While transferring code from one platform to the other, you can make use of packages such as PyInstaller that will take care of any dependency issues. Massive community support. Python has a huge community of users, which is always helpful when we encounter coding errors. Apart from a huge fan following, Python has multiple communities, groups, and forums where programmers post their errors and help each other. Demand for AI. Since the emergence of AI in the 1950s, we have seen exponential growth in its potential. But if AI has been here for over half a century, why has it suddenly gained so much importance? Why are we talking about artificial intelligence now? The main reasons for the vast popularity of AI are more computational power, better algorithms, board investment, more data, more computing power. Implementing AI requires a lot of computing power since building AI models involve heavy computations and the use of complex neural networks. The invention of GPUs has made this possible. We can finally perform high level computations and implement complex algorithms. Data generation. Over the past years, we have been generating an immeasurable amount of data. Such data needs to be analyzed and processed by using machine learning algorithms and other AI techniques. More effective algorithms. In the past decade, We have successfully managed to develop state of the art algorithms that involve the implementation of deep neural networks. Board investment as tech giants such as Tesla, Netflix, and Facebook started investing in artificial intelligence, it gained more popularity, which led to an increase in the demand for AI based systems. The growth of AI is exponential. It is also adding to the economy at an accelerated pace. So, this is the right time for you to get into the field of artificial intelligence. AI based libraries TensorFlow, SCI, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Theano, Keras, NLTK. TensorFlow. Features of TensorFlow: responsive construct, flexible, easily trainable, parallel, parallel neural network training. TensorFlow library was developed by Google in collaboration with Brain Team. It is popularly used in writing machine learning algorithms. Scikit-learn. Features of Scikit-learn: cross validation, unsupervised learning algorithms, feature extraction. Scikit-learn is a Python library associated with NumPy and CP. It is considered as one of the best libraries for working with complex data. NumPy. Features of NumPy: supports multidimensional arrays, numerical analysis, intuitive. NumPy is a Python library mainly used for computing scientific or mathematical data. Natural language analysis with NLTK. Features of NLTK: study natural language, text, text analysis, sentimental analysis. The Natural Language Toolkit (NLTK) is an open source Python library for natural language processing, text analysis, and text mining. Thank you.